Welcome back. Time now to make sense of the sense. The COVID-19 pandemic has amplified opportunities and the risks in the banking sector at a time that banking is critical in the economic recovery of any nation. Now, the 10th edition of the Kenya Bankers Association Annual Banking Research Conference explored how the sector can effectively support post-COVID economic rebound, highlighting opportunities towards supporting further credit growth in the wake of the COVID-19 pandemic.
We are happy to note that against expectations in an environment of increased uncertainty, the banking sector averted a credit squeeze, and it continues to support households and enterprises even amidst asset quality deterioration, while remaining sufficiently capitalized.
Credit supply meets demand. A significant contribution is made to the growth of the economy. Similarly, sustained economic growth creates additional demand for credit and supports the vibrancy of the financial system.
The divergent economic recovery between advanced and emerging markets also is a concern and poses a huge challenge. And yet in some other way as well, you will see that some of the emerging market conditions have been an advantage. So as we go forward, it's quite different.
And still in the financial sector, Oiko Credit and Sidian Bank have partnered to